It's about time for some spring cleaning, and if you found that you have a lot of unused stuff hanging around your home, you might want to consider selling it to make some extra money. Today we're talking about the 5 best apps to sell your stuff and make some money at fast. Today, I'm going to show you another money-making video to help you feel confident in all aspects of personal finance. So don't forget to subscribe to the Make Money Online YouTube channel for more Make Money videos. In this channel, we teach tips and tricks to make money online from home. Have you ever tried to sell something online? I have sold a few of things online, from cars, musical instruments, and tech items. While the sites that we used meant that we had spent a little bit more time weeding through who was legitimately interested in the sale, we've been able to cash out on selling things but we're no longer using. If you're ready to declutter your life or get started on some spring cleaning, selling things online could be a great way to free up your space and make some extra cash that you can put towards debt or even for that next vacation. So here are the top 5 best apps for selling and making money. The first app is called Declutter. Lets you sell used CD, DVDs, games, and tech online, and you think Declutter is pretty simple. All you have to do is pack your items, stick on the label, and drop it in the nearest CPS location, customer center, or authorized retail outlet. The day after your items arrive, you'll receive payment via direct deposit or PayPal check or as a donation to your chosen charity. And when you're on the Declutter app or website, you can enter your item and you'll get an instant valuation for the item that you're wanting to sell. The great part about this is that you don't need to answer any crazy questions about the product that you're trying to sell, and you don't need to write out a description either. It's as easy as telling Declutter what you're selling, and they'll tell you how much money you will make. If you decide to move forward with selling on Declutter, they'll send you a free shipping label to use to send in your items. It's really that easy to work with them and get paid, and they have a rating with the Better Business Bureau. A few months ago, I bought the new iPhone 11, and I didn't know about Declutter then, and honestly wish that I did. On their website, you can look up the value of selling back your old iPhone, which may be a better deal than selling it back to the carrier. It's definitely a great face that you can use to compare your auctions when you're getting ready to buy a newer gadget and get rid of the old. If you want to get started with Declutter, check out our link in the description box down below. If you have extra clothes in your closet that you don't love anymore, or maybe don't fit, a great option to make money fast on used clothing is with OfferUp. Is one of the most trustworthy buy and sell apps out there. The app is built for selling and also buying used clothes from brands like Old Navy, Gap, and J. Crew, as well as other designer brands. If you're wanting to sell your clothes on OfferUp, you'll need to order a free closet cleanup kit on their website. Once the bag arrives in the mail, you can put your gently used clothing in it and send it off and wait. Once your order is processed, you'll receive payment via OfferUp shopping credit, PayPal, or a Visa prepaid card that you will know how much you'll get until you send your clothes off. And if any clothing you send is not acceptable, you'll have to pay a 10.99 cent fee to get them back. But you can use Credits Payout Estimator to get an idea of your potential earnings before sending in your goods. So if you want to sell your clothing on OfferUp, definitely check out their site to make sure that your clothing will be sufficient to their standards and be accepted with selling on credit. You don't need to worry about taking pictures of your clothing or writing descriptions or dealing with potential customers. They handle all of that for you, and you just get money for sending in your gently used clothes. I think they're selling your clothes on OfferUp is great for a couple of reasons. First, it's an easy way to make money because you don't have to deal with all the other aspects that come with selling online. You get to make quick money just by sending in clothing you don't use anyway. Another great benefit is that it helps the environment. Instead of throwing away something that you don't want anymore, it could be recycled and enjoyed by someone else. The third selling app to make money is Letgo. Letgo is an alternative to Craigslist and lets you sell items like clothes, furniture, cars, and other items to people in your area. To get started with the Letgo app, create a free account and then upload photos of what you want to sell. Now it's important to be honest and clear about your item's condition, and having quality pictures will better help with marketing your items so as they sell faster. This app is a bit more work than others that we talked about earlier, just because you have to create the listing yourself and do a little bit more work to market your items well if you really want to sell it fast and for your desired amount. But the great part about this is that you have the potential to make a greater profit. There are a few other websites out there are alternatives to let go. Websites like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace are similar. I have used these types of platforms to list my own items, communicate with potential buyers, and make the direct sale. We recently sold a 2001 Toyota Tacoma in a week this way and have sold music equipment that we no longer need. It was important for us to keep our privacy during most of these sales and meet potential buyers in a neutral location. But other than that, we've had pretty great success with selling on these platforms. The app OfferUp is another app that you can use to make money selling your items. Here's how to sell on OfferUp. OfferUp is a free app that connects people selling items like jewelry, cars, smartphones, and other tech items with local buyers. Unlike other selling apps, OfferUp allows buyers and sellers to communicate in app, so there's no need to give out personal information. They also offer a network of public community meetup locations like police stations, which is great to help with the safety of buyers and sellers. OfferUp lets buyers or sellers, so it's important to be honest about the items that you're selling. You can also link your Facebook account, which gives an additional boost to your credibility. With the OfferUp app, it's still important for you to write a good description and take quality photos to make your listing more enticing when buyers find your listing. They have the option to ask questions or make an offer on the item. And just like that, the junk collecting dust in your attic could be money in your pocket. A classic and one of the most popular selling platforms around is eBay. With eBay, you can buy and sell almost anything, and popular categories include video games, phones, tech, and shoes. eBay's internet platform. You can sell your item to someone in almost any geographic location, but that does mean that there will be an additional cost of shipping. But you can actually use eBay to sell stuff locally. When trading your listing, you can select the option to be offered local pickup only. And when you choose this option, your item will only be offered to buyers who live in or near your zip code. In college, some of my classmates and I use eBay to buy and sell used textbooks. I remember that I had a bid on the listing, and then when I won, the seller had the book shipped to me. Since eBay has been so popular for many years, it was a website that I trusted. When I was looking for a specific textbook, there are so many selling apps out there, and choosing the best app depends on the items that you have, the condition that they're in, and how much hassle and time you want to spend. Our tip for picking the right platform is to see if there's an app that specializes in that category, and also be mindful of any fees that the company may charge for your listing. But once you sell your old items that you no longer use, you'll have that extra money in your pocket put towards that next financial goal. So those are our top 5 favorite apps for selling items to make money. And don't forget to subscribe to the Make Money Online YouTube channel for more Make Money videos. If you want to learn more and to get my most recommended way of making money online, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.